this is my submission for Monocomp 8. Just for a little context, this is for a painting competition hosted by Monocure 3D. And if you're interested, it's really easy to enter. All you need to do is download the model from Monocure, print it, paint it, and post it with the hashtag Monocomp8 on Facebook or Instagram. I'll be submitting my entry on Instagram, just plugging my Instagram. But if you missed out on this opportunity, not to worry, Monocure tends to throw these competitions kinda regularly, so keep an eye out on their Facebook group when they do another announcement. I'll leave a link in the descriptions below. So here's the print. I printed two because one is for Andy, since he'll also be entering the competition. Snap that off for him. Remove the support material. Since I printed this in clear resin, it's really hard to see what I've missed. So I give it a black prime first, just to make it easier to spot any defects. Then I use clippers, blades, and files to clean up the print. To save on material, I printed the Flayer hollow, and since the mini prints upside down, I had a hole on the head and arm to allow the resin to flow out easily. So I had to patch it up with liquid green stuff. I would like to incorporate Fluro green for the skin, and that color is fairly transparent. To make the shading easier, I utilize a pre-shade as my primer. Then I apply Fluro green as my base coat. I got a little spats of paint on the right side of his jaw, so to clean it up, I use a cotton bud. I masked out all the ornaments with painting putty, using a silicone brush to push it into the grooves. Airbrush a metallic purple, because personally, I think purple and green contrast really well. Give it a purple wash to shade in the details. As I wait for the wash to fully dry, I paint in the eyes black. I'm just using black because it gives it a generic alien look, which gives it a mysterious vibe. I also add a little black wash to the eyes to blend the elements together. Finally, I added a gloss varnish to the eye to give it a moist finish. Remove the painting putty. I think the putty removed a small section of the base coat. I had to go back with Fluro green to patch it up, and I had to blend the skin tones with a wet brush to make the transition look natural. And I had to also touch up the metallic purple. I think the texture I got from the airbrush adds to the mini. It gives it a leathery, porous look, plus a little gloss in the eye really makes it pop. And most importantly, it glows in the dark. Fluro paints are the best. I hope this video inspires you to take part in any upcoming paint comps, and I look forward to seeing your posts on Insta. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.